HubSpot is great for sales teams, but if you have ever tried to do real analysis on your CRM data, you know the limits. 100 custom reports, 1,000 row cap, no SQL access, no way to join your CRM data with your product data or your billing data. What if you could query all of it with SQL? Contacts, deals, companies, in a Postgres database. Real time, updated automatically. That is what I am going to show you today. Once your HubSpot data lives in Postgres, you can do things that are impossible inside HubSpot. Run a query that joins your deals with your product usage data. Build a customer lifetime value report across every touchpoint. Create a real-time dashboard your whole team can use. Connect Metabase, Grafana, Tableau, whatever your team already runs. No row limits, no report caps, no 2-hour refresh. Your CRM data becomes a first-class data source, queryable like everything else in your stack. And you keep using HubSpot as your CRM. Nothing changes for your sales team. They work in HubSpot. Your data team works in SQL. Both see the same data. Let me show you how to set this up. Takes about 5 minutes. We are going to connect HubSpot to Postgres using Stacksync. Real-time sync, bi-directional, so changes flow both ways. To create a real-time, bi-directional sync between HubSpot and Postgres, we start by clicking the Create Resource button on the homepage. This initiates the process of connecting your critical business systems, eliminating data silos, and unlocking true data consistency. Next, let's select the Syncs button to create a new sync. In the Sync Name field, enter a name for your sync. This helps you easily identify and manage your integrations at scale. Click on HubSpot to select it as your first connected app. Here, you can either choose an existing HubSpot connection or create a new one, ensuring seamless integration with your CRM data, without custom scripts or maintenance headaches. Once selected, click the Select button to confirm your HubSpot connection choice. Now, let's click on Postgres to select it as your second connected app. Again, you can choose from existing Postgres connections or create a new one, enabling real-time data flow into your operational data store. After selecting, click the Select button to confirm your Postgres connection. From here, click the Link Tables button to begin configuring which tables will be synchronized. Click on the drop-down or start typing the names of the tables you want to link. This flexibility allows you to tailor integrations to your exact business needs. Click the drop-down arrow to view available table options for mapping. You have the option to select existing tables or create new ones, streamlining the process and accelerating time to value for new integrations. Now, click the Map Fields button to configure field mappings between your selected tables. This ensures data consistency and integrity across systems. Click Show Columns to expand and select the Appointments table fields you want to sync. Next, click the drop-down arrow to select the specific column mapping option that best fits your data model. Once your mappings are set, click the Create button to save and create your new sync. You'll be redirected to the Current Syncs page, where you can toggle the switch to turn on your sync and instantly activate real-time, bi-directional data flow between HubSpot and Postgres. With Stacksync, you reclaim valuable engineering hours from integration plumbing, achieve true data consistency, and significantly reduce your integration TCO, all with enterprise-grade security and compliance. So now that your CRM data is in Postgres, what do you actually build with this? Revenue attribution across channels. Not just what HubSpot tracks, but joined with your ad spend, your product events, your billing data. One query. Lead scoring based on real product usage, not HubSpot lead scores based on email opens. Actual usage data from your app joined with CRM records. Churn prediction. Join deal history with support tickets with product engagement. That query is impossible inside any CRM. In Postgres, it is 5 lines of SQL. The point is not replacing HubSpot. The point is that CRM data becomes exponentially more valuable when you can join it with everything else. Most teams treat their CRM as a closed system. Sales works in HubSpot. Data lives in HubSpot. Reporting happens in HubSpot. But the teams that move fastest are the ones that treat CRM data like any other data source. Queryable, joinable, available to every tool in the stack. Stacksync connects HubSpot to Postgres. Also works with Salesforce, NetSuite, Shopify. Real-time, bi-directional. Thanks for watching.